Have with me another gubernatorial candidate from the YPP, Young Progressives Party. Am I right? Okay, and I have Dana Gogo Wenike-briggs, who happens to be the first grandson of Chief Wenike-briggs. Remember him, one of the agitators for River State back then. He is also the president of CRI Initiatives, that's Community of Reformed Youths. You're welcome to the program.
Thank you very much.
It's really nice to have you.
Yes.
Community of Reformed Youth. Something caught my attention there. Reformed Youth. You reform them before you admit them into your community, or you admit them into the community and reform them?
Basically, we admit them and then reform them. The idea is to make them understand that, look, this is what we are going to do. This is how we should be thinking. When you talk about reforming, you're talking about the mind.
Okay.
You understand? So we need to bring them in, and then we say to make them understand the reason, and the purpose and the drive.
What informed this initiative?
The whole initiative started back then in 2019, when we came across the fact that we discovered that unemployment rate in River State was one of the major problems, because according to Labor Force statistics, we realized that 43.7% of Rivers people are unemployed. So we started advocating for job creation, and that was what bettered the community of reform youth, because before you start putting people in, you need to start changing their mindsets, telling them that it is not the 1 naira or the 2,000 naira they give to you. It's about your future.
What's the vehicle you're using for this reformation of the mind?
Reformation, basically, we're based on knowledge, we're based on research, we're based on.
So you have workshops, you have seminars. How do you do that?
Yeah, we've done quite a few seminars in LGS, because we're reaching out to LGS in the process of finding out what are the natural resources every LGA have, so that we can actually send this down, to the president.
So you tailor the training according to the local government,
according to the resources that is available there in that LGA. Okay. So we're trying to make them understand, okay, this thing is this is here. For example, if I use my place, we have several fishes in the river. In fact, River State has about 270 species of fishes. Now, for example, let me just take one for shrimp. Shrimp is what we used to do all kind of cooking, rice, our soup, our native soup and all that. Now, the global market size for shrimp is $56.490 million. It is forecasted by 2028, the shrimp global market would have increased to $74.850 billion. Now, imagine River State is contributing 10% to that market because of a deposit of shrimp. It will be $74 million. Convert that to naira, present rate is 52 point something billion naira.
Are you setting up industries in these areas? Are you setting up businesses for the people?
That is why Committee of Reform Youth was formed, to see that we partner with whatever government was in existence at the point. And then the present administration was there. So we kept on writing to them. We wrote over 44 letters, thereabout, enlightening them of the resources and the availability of this kind of industries that should be established in these LGAs. All we need to do is to train them, let them know, bring them into the limelight, because 3 things goes around every industry. You do training, you get people employed, and then there's also availability for people to do business. So there's entrepreneurship.